I just picked up a backpack air blower. Now this is a 2-stroke from Garvee. I've never owned a backpack blower before, but I wanted you to see exactly how it comes. Let's get that on. It's going to give us our flexibility. It's rubber. Here section is to hold the trigger. Then your hex key here. Do is put on an extra tube here, lock that in, and then if we want we can extend it some more. You see Garvee put together, and you can kind of see, and I've got the fuel in, and again I don't see, there's our choke. I just want to see how hard this is to pull over. Of course it pulls over pretty easy. We want to engage our switch. So that's on. And our gas throttle. Look at that. Get that choke off a little bit. All right, it took probably 15 minutes to put this together. All I had to do is put the flex hose on, put the mounting bracket for your throttle and on-off control, your cruise control. You saw me fire it up. I mean, that was the first time it was fired. About 4 pulls. There was no prime. It does have a choke. And let's see how it works then. So we're gonna maybe have it half choked. Got to make sure it's on. I've never had a backpack one, so it's my first try at this. So it's pretty good. It's got plenty of power. You know, it's not fall right now, so I don't have a lot of debris, but let's take a look at these sticks over here. Let's head over here. There's some crap right here. Look at this. Maybe this is a better test. I don't know whether we can see it. All right, we got a lot of debris on this old deck here. Let's try that. Woo! Yeah, baby. I mean, it really does have power. I'm really happy. Very happy. That is a big difference from using a battery blower. I mean, a major difference. Now I see why all those landscape guys use these, because the power is just amazing. First off, the flexibility here to move it around, the throttle control right where you need it, and just pure air power. Just pure air power, no doubt. Check out Garvee. It's a nice unit.